Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wizard. I hope that you have subscribed my channel and also you have liked my videos and you have watched my other videos. So let's get started. Today I am going to tell you how to use the new Microsoft Office Lens app, which can be used to scan your documents, your pictures and all other things like your business card, which is very essential in today's scenario. So first download Office Lens from Play Store app or App Store app, depending on which device you have. Each If you all have Android device, then download it from Play Store. If it's a Apple device, then download it from Apple Store. Tap on the Office Lens button. In order to capture document, set the mode to document. If you want to capture this screen, then no need to tap on screen, just hold it and just press on this button. Now you can adjust the borders if you want, or you can even disable the option. You can adjust it, then click on confirm. Then you can add filters if you want. Black and white will be more useful for everyone. You can also check for more options, such as you can add text if you want to add a page. Then click on done. You can rename by clicking on the pencil icon. You can save it to your phone's gallery. If you want to capture, say for example, a whiteboard, then also you can capture. The procedure will be the same for business class, business card also the procedure will be the same. Photo also the process will be same. If you want to enable flash, then click on flash on mode. Then your photo will get more clarity. This is a very helping tool for those people who want to scan documents and is very essential in day-to-day life. I thank you for watching my video. The link is in the description to download this app. This is a non-promotional video. I have just made this video so that it is useful for people, those who use this app and those who need it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please share this video, hit like, share this video, and tell me in comment section how you like this video or how would you like it to be, and suggest me some other videos which you all want me to review. Thank you. Bye.